welcome to my garage. My name is Lisa and I'd like to introduce you to my new pre-loved baby. Ta-da! As car owners, we all know that when we see that warning light, we pretend like we didn't see it and we ignore it out of fear because of a lack of knowledge. And when doing so, we don't really allow ourselves to become the best car owners we can be. And so that's why it's very important that we know what we're looking at when we see that warning light. For our first lesson together, I'm going to be learning everything there is to know about tires, how to take good care of them so that we can keep on driving. I'll be doing some of my own research, but more importantly, I'll also be getting some advice from some experts. I think the best place to start where I can become a better car owner is definitely the thing that keeps me moving, and those are my wheels. And today with me, I've got a technical advisor from Monroe. I've got Custodia with me today. Hi Custodia, how are you?
Nice to meet you, Lisa, and I'm excited to meet you.
Custodia, I must let you know, my car doesn't actually have a tire warning light, which can be a little bit tricky when it comes to knowing what my pressure is. My first question already is, what should I do when I see the tire light flashing on my dashboard? What exactly does that mean?
If you see that, it means that your tires are flat. Firstly, you can check it physically and see if one of the tires is low or all of them, they are low. You can compare the pressure on all the tires and go around and check it. So the other way is to, when you are driving, you can feel your car that is going to pull to one side or is going to bounce.
What exactly does the shock and suspension, what's the influence of that on my tire thread?
Okay, shock absorber is part of the suspension. And when your shock absorber is worn, you'll see flat spots on the tire because your shock is no longer controlling the movement of the spring. So the spring is there on your car to control or to support the weight of the vehicle. There is a mark here, which is level on your tire. So when these threads are level to that mark, then it means that your threads are gone. So you have to change your tires.
What are some good practice tips I can use, or to practice rather, to ensure that I have a long life with my tires?
So for you to have that, you have to maintain your suspension system. That includes your shock absorber. And also you have to always inflate your tires with a proper pressure.
Thank you very much for your assistance today, Custodio.
You are welcome.
What I've just learned today in terms of taking care of my tires is just to do a quick walk around, check that the pressure's good, check that my threading is good as well, because that can also indicate if my suspension is off. I've learned so much today. I cannot wait until my next lesson, and everything I've learned today is definitely going to help me keep on driving.